What's up? We're back in another snowy video, guys. Here is CSX M327 in the blizzard or snowstorm, whatever you want to call it. Anywho, here he is right now. 192 freight cars. He's right. 192 freight cars. There he is right now. Possibly a 4-axle engine. We'll find out. Anywho, there he is right now in the blizzard. He's in the snowstorm, whatever you want to call it. There it is. Back up a little bit more. Where's the long train with the snow and all? Look at that. 192 freight cars once again. Big train. Big train. And this is coming down with snow right now up in these cars and everywhere else. Main Pacific Rail ICP. Pacific lumber car right there. Look at this. Look at the traffic. Lots of backed up traffic. Holy smokes. Look at that. LRS GTX right there. Nice, beautiful snow for this video. It's awesome. Love it. Pacific boxcar right there. CSX empty lumber car right there. CSX one right there. Whole Islands take grain cars empty though. Not much weight other than the gondolas and maybe bills of scrap. That's it. That's these all mixed empties and fulls. GRE, scrap metal, market rail cars right there, a bunch of old market rail LRS box cars right there. Bunch of cement cars and auto racks, empty auto racks, that's odd. BNSF empty auto racks right there. That's awesome. Awesome. Us from 302 a couple days ago. Right from Detroit, Michigan, that is. Hey, DPU, I see you. Two more auto racks coming up right there. Yep. Two more auto racks in a snowy blizzard. Tarp cars. Must have hazardous stuff in them. Yeah, environmental rail solution. Yep. TTX, old ones right there. Look at that. Don't make them like that anymore, but they're all empty, it looks like. It's gonna slow down quite a bit here, guys. It's going up to 1 grade, I'd say. Not much solid duct, but enough to slow them down. But just many gondolas loaded with scrap metal, and then just another cars that could be loaded with scrap, could be loaded with any other hazardous material to make it so heavy for them to get over the hill. But you never has a problem with this engine breaks down on them, which it has, but it hasn't done that for like since 2022 was the last time that happened. I unfortunately wasn't a YouTuber like I am now. And I didn't get to, so it sucks. Material Canada car right there. It's a big train. Look at the backup now. Look at that. GTX right there. CSX gondola right there. Bunch of boxers right here. One walking from Montclair Rail and any other shoreline railroad out there right now. I don't know. You normally see it on Montclair Rail. Especially this one, LRS. There's the engine train, guys. It is right there. See it? There's the engine there. Slowly heads our way. You know he's going to slow down, but now you know he's going to slow down this much. He's got to be just coming over the hill, so he's going to start picking up speed now. Old boxcar. See, that's just boxcar. That's old. There's the end, and there it goes. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Ralph and Landon. Stay tuned for more snowy videos in the future. Ralph and Landon out.